Hello everyone, I am making my rag. So this is my personalized rag. This is what I'm doing during my break so that I will not be bored. So I am making my own rag rather than buying ready-made. So I will make this very colorful. I will let you see the finished product after. So look at